Hi there, students. To strain or a strain. So, to strain means to push as hard as possible, to use as hard as you can, to strive as hard as you can. So, the horses strained against the weight of the cart. He strained to lift the heavy rock. Okay, he pushed himself as hard as possible. So to strain, to pull, to stretch tight. If you have a tug of war, this is where you've got two teams pulling a rope. The first thing the referee does is says, take the strain and you pull the rope tight. And then you strain, you pull as hard as possible. In physics, strain is to distort something using an external force. So you distort it with a force. We can also use strain, meaning to use to the absolute maximum. To tax as much as you can. I strained my eyes to see if I could locate anything in the distance. The dog strained against the lead, pulled hard, trying to break it. We can also use to strain, meaning to injure because you pull or you push too hard. So notice you can strain a muscle. Notice you sprain your ankle, it's like a twist. If you strain a muscle, it's slightly less. You pull it too much and it hurts. So to strain, to injure by overuse. I strained my eyes, straining to see what I could see in the distance. To push beyond a reasonable limit. So metaphorically, his excuse strains belief. Okay, it pulls belief beyond the reasonable. So this idea of to strain, to push as hard as you can, to try to the maximum. Yeah? Notice as well, to strain, this is a strainer. So you strain your tea. Yeah, a strainer. This is used to strain things. You cook your spaghetti, you boil it in water, and then you strain it in a colander, or you strain it in a strainer. Okay, all of these meanings of strain come from the Latin word stringere, meaning to hold tight, to grip, to squeeze. Now, we have another etymology of strain as well. Let's see. Firstly, when I hear the word strain in this idea, I think of a group of bacteria or viruses. It's a group of them that are genetically different to others in the same species. Okay, so it's like a set of bacteria with specific genetics. Or you could have a strain of animal. The strain, it's different from the others. It's got some special characteristic, but not different enough to be a new breed or variety. Yeah? So it's different, and all of the animals in this group have a particular characteristic or a particular genetic. But in other characteristics, they're the same as other members of their group. You can use strain to mean the descendants of a common ancestor. Now, we can also use strain with this idea to mean a type of. So his English pronunciation is a strain of an Eastern European accent mixed with an Oriental sound. So a strain, a particular thing, a characteristic. You can also use strain to mean a tune. So I could hear strains of violin music in the distance. If you listen carefully in the background to the video, you can hear the strains of my neighbour's concrete mixer. Okay, so it's like a group of sounds, if you like. Okay, strains of something. And let's see, this meaning of strain, a type, a group, comes from strion in Latin, which means the progeny, the descendants of. Okay, so a strain, a type. Yeah, he speaks a strange strain of English. Maybe there are different strains of grammar. There is grammar to do with verbs. There is grammar to do with prepositions. Maybe these are different strains of grammar within the English language. Types, groups, categories. So, next question, what about formality? Well, this verb to strain, to pull, this is neutral formality. You can use it informally, you can use it very formally. And then a strain of bacteria. Yeah, I think, again, this is neutral formality, something you can use informally and very formally. Yeah, strains of music coming over the hills. Okay, so, to strain, to pull tight, to put a force on, to strive or use as hard as possible. He strained his muscles, pushing the car up the hill. To tax to the maximum. I strained my eyes to see what I could see. I strained my ears listening for any sound. But then you could go over the top and strain a muscle. Oh, I've strained a muscle in my back. Oh, that hurts. So you're pushing it beyond a reasonable limit. Yeah? Some of the things he says strain credulity. And then we have our strainer to separate things into solid and liquid. Yeah, he strained his tea to take the leaves out. And then we have the other group of meanings, a strain of bacteria or virus. So they have some genetic difference, but they're still part of the same species as others. Strain, a common ancestor. He comes from a royal strain. Yeah, from Henry VIII maybe. And then a strain of, a characteristic of, a type of, a kind of. And then musical strains, little pieces of music that you can hear or noises. So there you go, strain. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. I know you're straining to perfect your English. Bye for now.